Have you ever heard of Jet So Secret? It might not even exist. Well, let me introduce you to the J-36, a rumored Chinese stealth aircraft that has the global defense world guessing. But here's the catch, Chinese has not officially confirmed anything. So is it real? Is it just a rumor? Or something in between? Let's dive into the mystery of the J-36, a ghost in the sky that may be the future of air combat. So where did this story begin? The name J-36 started floating around in Chinese military forums, defense expos and few international think tanks. It wasn't part of any official announcement, but some experts believe in Shenyang Aircraft Corporation, the same company behind the J-16 and J-15, might be quietly working on something bigger. Theory: Chinese wants next generation stealth jet that can match or beat the F-22 Raptor, replace older airforms and dominate both and naval airspace. We have seen look at models, concept art and stronger prototypes at Chinese air show, but nothing confirmed at J-36. So why do so many people believe in it? Because China has done it before, quietly developing the J-20 while keeping in the world in the dark until the last moment. Let's imagine this for a second, that the J-36 is real. What could it look like? Based on reports, it might be a twin-engine stealth fighter with a powered swept wing and an internal weapon bay for the low radar signatures. Experts say it could be built for both carrier operations and long-range strikes, possibly a novel version of the FC-31 or something completely new. And the technology, oh boy, we are talking about AI-based flight control, AI-based flight control, optional unnamed mod, hypersonic missile capability, super cruise at Mach 2 plus, extreme stealth, maybe even better than F-35. Sounds like science fiction, right? But when you look the Chinese recent leap in the military tech and AI, it isn't possible. Here's the bigger picture. The world is heading into the next generation arms race, not just a hand, but it in the skies. The US is developing the NGAD, a sixth generation stealth fighter. Russia is upgrading the Su-57. India is pushing AMCA, and Europe is building the future combat air systems (FCAS). So for China, the J-20 may not be enough. They will need something more allies and more stealthy, more intelligent, and that's where the J-36 could come in. But this is not just about a performance, it is about strategy. If China can field in a true 6th generation fighter forces could reshape power in the Pacific, especially and around Taiwan, the South China Sea and even of beyond. So why is the J-36 still a secret? Because military secrecy is a powerful weapon. The more confusions you create for your enemies, the better your position. And let's not forget, China has a history of the revealing aircraft fleet. The J-20 secrets of the nearly a decade, the S-22 bomber is still unconfirmed, the Type 003 aircraft carrier spotted only through satellite image. Some believe the J-36 has already flown quietly in a remote Chinese airfields. Others think it is just a code name of the upgradable FC-31 project. And a few defense watchers as I believe in the J-36 is simply a psychological operations, a rumor designed to keep rivals and guessing. But here's a saying, sometimes even a rumor tells you something very real is happening behind the scenes. Okay, let's be honest, what if the J-36 doesn't exist at all? Then why does it matter? Because the idea of the J-36 pushes countries to develop faster, smarter and more advanced technology. It creates pressure, it starts conversation and it shapes future battle strategies. Yet the possibility of the Chinese 6th generation fighter is enough to shake the global defense world. So is the J-36 real? We still don't know. But whatever it is flying today or still on the driving and the board on things is settled, the future of air combat won't be decided by the sound and the loudest, but by who prepares in silence, and when the silence breaks, the world will watch the skies differently. If you find this topic fascinating, make sure to subscribe to the Rich Short Present. We bring you deep dives into the modern military, tech secrets, projects, and the unseen side of the global defense. This is not just the channel, this is the mission of the extreme, unknown, one fact at a time. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay soft. Goodbye.